Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today, we're taking a closer look at OnePlus's big 2025 flagship, the OnePlus Ace 6T, which will officially hit the global market as the OnePlus 15R on December 17th. Ever since OnePlus announced that this would be the very first phone to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, it's been getting tons of attention from tech fans everywhere. So what's the real performance like with this new chip? How well does the Ace 6T handle heat, battery drain, and day-to-day tasks? And most importantly, does it truly deserve to be called the new performance champion? Let's dive in and see. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Ace 6T sticks to OnePlus's refreshed family design, moving away from the usual performance phone first, design second stereotype. Instead, it embraces a clean, modern aesthetic with those trendy, large, rounded corners, and a straight metal frame and completely flat front and back panels. The camera module follows the cube-shaped metal design we saw in the OnePlus 15 series, but with a very minimal bump. Compared to the previous Ace 6, the Ace logo on the camera is gone, the flash is smaller, and the whole setup looks simpler, cleaner, and more refined. You get 3 color choices this time: shadow green, electric purple, and shimmering black. All of them use a color-matched aluminum frame and glass back. The unit I'm using is shadow green, which has a soft, fresh look thanks to its low saturation tone. The back uses a silk glass finish similar to the standard iPhone, giving it a smooth, warm feel while practically eliminating fingerprints, a huge win for anyone who usually struggles with smudges or sweaty hands. Now, hearing that the phone packs an 8300 mAh battery, most people immediately imagine a thick, heavy device. But the Ace 6T completely breaks that expectation. It comes in at 136.4 times 77.1 times 8.3 millimeters and around 217 grams. If you go for the electric purple model, that one uses a fiberglass back and is even lighter and slimmer. OnePlus has clearly put thought into the ergonomics too. The metal frame has subtle micro-arc chamfers on both sides, so you don't feel any sharp edges, and the internal structure is balanced with a 50-50 weight distribution. Whether you're gaming horizontally or watching videos upright, the phone feels steady and comfortable. Up top, there's an infrared sensor and a mic. Down below, the Type-C port, SIM tray, and speaker are perfectly centered and symmetrical. The power and volume buttons sit on the same side, and yes, the classic alert slider is still here on the upper left. This time, it's even more capable, offering silent and vibration modes, plus customizable one-tap shortcuts for up to 8 quick actions, including instant camera launch. The phone also comes loaded with practical extras like full-level IP69K water resistance, a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, an X-axis linear motor, NFC, and more, though one thing missing is an external remote control. On the front, we get a large 6.83-inch completely flat display with nicely balanced bezels that measure about 1.6 millimeters, giving the phone a very clean, symmetrical look. OnePlus kicked off the 165Hz display trend earlier this year, so of course the Ace 6T keeps that going with an OLED panel that supports up to a 165Hz smart refresh rate. The 2800x1272 resolution looks sharp, and the phone intelligently adjusts the refresh rate based on what you're doing. It can push all the way to 165Hz in supported games, but it'll drop to lower levels when browsing or reading to help conserve battery. Plus, the display has passed professional eye protection certifications, balancing crisp visuals with reduced eye strain. When it comes to raw power, the OnePlus Ace 6T is clearly built to impress. It debuts with the world's first Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, a direct upgrade from the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and produced using TSMC's advanced 3nm process. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this new chip delivers a 36% jump in performance and a 42% improvement in power efficiency. Even the GPU gets a nice boost, with 11% higher performance and 28% better efficiency. Backed by up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and as much as 1 terabytes of UFS 4.1 storage, the Ace 6T doesn't just look powerful on paper, its actual gaming results are even more impressive. OnePlus has integrated its self-developed Peak gaming engine directly into the chip's lower-level architecture, giving this phone something rare in its category, a full 165Hz gaming experience. In Delta Force, which already supports 165Hz, the Ace 6T averages 164.4 frames in quick combat combat mode, holding steady without dips. Even during chaotic fights or fast directional changes, you won't see lag or stutter. All of this happens while the phone draws just 4.87 watts of power. In Genshin Impact, maxed out at the highest graphical settings, the Ace 6T maintains a smooth 60.1 FPS while consuming only 3.98 watts, an excellent result. To see how the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 stacks up against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we did a quick comparison with another device. Both phones delivered almost identical average frame rates in Genshin Impact, but the big difference was efficiency. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 model used 4.7 watts, while the Ace 6T with the 8 Gen 5 drew just 3.98 watt, making it significantly more power-friendly. This strong gaming performance comes not just from the new chip, but also from the upgraded Ice Core cooling system. With a massive 43,940 millimeters cooling area, plus Ice Core VC and graphene layers, the phone maintains stable performance even during extended heavy gaming sessions. Battery life and charging also get major upgrades. OnePlus packed an enormous 8,300 mAh battery inside this device, one of the largest capacities you'll find in a phone of this size. During testing, I pushed it through back-to-back gaming sessions and multiple benchmark runs, and it still took real effort to drain it. Heavy gamers can easily get a full day out of it, and lighter users might even stretch it to 2 days. For charging, we ran a 1% to 100% test using the included 100-watt charger. The phone reached 50% in 21 minutes and hit a full charge in 58 minutes. OnePlus also improved compatibility this year, allowing the Ace 6T to support 36-watt PD and 55-watt PPS fast charging. That means even if you're using third-party chargers or power banks, you'll still get respectable speeds without needing original accessories. Even though the Ace 6T is positioned as a performance-focused phone, the camera setup holds its own. The main shooter uses the IMX906 sensor with a 1.56-inch size and OIS stabilization. In good lighting, colors look natural and images come out sharp with great detail. Among performance-centric devices, the overall image quality is definitely above average and more than enough for everyday photography and social-ready shots. Pricing for the base variant in China starts at 233.99 yuan, which is roughly £255 in the UK and around $340 in the US. As the first device powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, the OnePlus Ace 6T really shows what this new chip can do. Paired with OnePlus's peak gaming engine and the enhanced Ice Core cooling setup, the phone pushes performance to its limit. Its 165Hz full-frame gaming experience stands out in its category. Add the massive 8,300 mAh battery, 100 watts fast charging, and solid overall build quality, and you're looking at a device with almost no major compromises. For users chasing top-tier performance, and for gamers or heavy users who need long-lasting endurance, the OnePlus Ace 6T absolutely earns its reputation as a cost-effective flagship. If power is your priority, this phone is hard to beat. If you want the next section done too, just send it over.